Hi, I'm Kübra Tuş. Today I'm going to talk about exponential numbers. Now let's begin. The exponent of a number says how many times to use the number in a multiplication. This is the 8 power 2 and this is the base and it is exponent, index or power. In 8 power 2, the 2 says to use 8 twice in a multiplication. So 8 to the power 2 is equal to 8 times 8 and 64. In words, this could be called 8 to the power 2 or 8 to the second power or simply 8 squared. For example, 5 power 3 is equal to 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 and equal to 125. In words, this could be called 5 to the third power, 5 to the power 3 or simply 5 cubed. Exponents make it easier to write and use many multiplication. 9 to the power 6 is easier to write and read than this. So, in general, a to the power n tells you to multiply a by itself, so there are n of those a's. So, negative exponents. Negative. What could be the opposite of multiplying? So, it's sure dividing. A negative exponent means how many times to divide 1 by the number. 8 to the power minus 1 equal to 1 divide 8 and equal to this. 5 to the power minus 3 could be calculated like 1 over 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 and equal to 1 over 5 to the power 3 and equal to 1 over 125. That last example showed an easier way to handle negative exponents. This is the rule. A to the power minus n is equal to 1 over a to the power n. Firstly, calculate the positive exponent a power n. Then take the reciprocal 1 over a power n. What if the exponent is 1 or 0? If the exponent is 1, then you just have the number itself. For example, 9 power 1 equal to 9. If the exponent is 0, then you get 1. For example, 9 power 0 equal to 1. But what about 0 power 0? It could be either 1 or 0. and so people say it is indeterminate. Be careful about grouping. To avoid confusion, use parentheses in cases like this. If minus 2 in parentheses power 2 is equal to minus 2 multiply minus 2 is equal to 4. But if minus 2 is not in parentheses power 2, it is equal to power 2 in parentheses, but the sign of minus is outside of the parentheses, and that is equal to minus 4. A times b in parentheses power 2 is equal to a times b multiply a times b. But if a times b is not in parentheses, power 2 is equal to a multiply b power 2 is equal to a multiply b. Now let's look at the different questions. First example, what is the value of 3 power 4? We are writing like this. 3 power 4 is equal to 81. Another example, what is the value of 7 power 0? 0 power of every number is equal to 1. It's rule. And another example, what is the value of 5 power 1? 1 power of every number is equal to itself. And the last example is, what is the value of minus 4 power minus 2? Be careful, parentheses. And 1 over minus 4 in parentheses power 2 equal to 1 over minus 4 multiply minus 4 and equal to 1 over 16. Okay, hopefully that makes a lot of sense. Remember, you should do at least one more example by yourself at home. Next video will be about laws of exponential numbers. Stay math.